Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Marco, and today we're going to be doing something kind of simple, and it's going to be for a C7 Corvette between 2014 and 2019, and that's replacing your cabin filter. A lot of us forget about it. We just, go for years without replacing them, and it's time to replace. At least mine, it's completely done. I did buy the vehicle pre-owned, so in my case, GM recommends every 2 years replacing it. I normally don't use the outside air for my air conditioning, only when it's like winter, cool days. But in the summer, I just use the inside recycle. But it's always good to have a nice clean filter, not looking like this. It's got basically holes in it. Terrible, terrible. I mean, it was full of leaves. It was disgusting. I actually cleaned it a little bit before, so if not, get the whole car full of debris here. So the one that I picked was the CarQuest. You could pick this up at Advance Auto. And there's other brands. You could go with the Fram. They have, I think, a Fabrice, original GM. And this one has got the charcoal activated filter. So I always go with the charcoal. I prefer, it helps you out with some of the, the smells coming from the exterior, the elements. And that's pretty much it. So in this case, this was like under $16, $15 and change. And you can pick them up on Amazon if I'm not mistaken, but you could use whichever brand you like. For me, like I say, I like the charcoal activated filter. So we are gonna try to grow the channel. I have a lot of great videos with the C7 coming up. It's just waiting for just a little bit of time to get in process. Like I ended up painting the car myself. I purchased it all wrecked. Customized my supercharger cover, valve covers, and everything was painted inside my garage. So it was a challenge, but it was fun. Like I said, we're trying to grow the channel. Can't do it without your support. It'll be great if you do. Throw a line at me and I will answer any questions or any concerns, good or bad, doesn't really matter. We're here all to learn, and I just want to share my experience installing your cabin filter. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so this is the model number for the CarQuest cabin filter. All right, so let's begin. So in this model, we have these lines that need to be disconnected, so we have easy access to the back. Okay, so you're gonna have these clips back here, and this is the dry sump system for the Z06. So I've noticed that these things work much better for me when you push in a little, push in this way, and then you push in, press the button, the little gray button right here, and then it comes right out. All right, so you want to put this aside. Clip it over here. All right, beautiful. Okay, so take this out of the way. Great, so then we have one more here. Same setup. It's right here. Okay, so we're gonna have another line right here that we're gonna disconnect. Like I said, I like to push in a little bit and then wiggle it out. Same thing, we're gonna go ahead and put it right above. Right, so once you take these lines, move these lines out of the way, you'll have access to your cabin filter, which is in the back. All right, so now that we removed all the lines out of the way, we have access to the back of the cabin filter. All right, so make sure you don't do this when the car is super hot. It's a lot easier when it's a little bit cooler. So you're gonna remove this clip right here, this clip right here, and then you're just gonna open this little tab, and you're gonna remove this tab. Okay. And it does have like a little rubber seal that you're gonna, just kind of like clean a little bit, and before you put it in. And it does have these little, like little teeth right here. Those are the ones that go inside that plastic right there. All right. So I'm gonna pull this sucker out. So in my case, mine was eating up here. I already took it out and kind of, you know, cleaned it a little bit, but as you can see, it's pretty dirty. All right. So you're going to want to have the airflow going down. All right, so this one does have the little arrows. It's hard to see. It's behind this little felt right here. But it does have the arrows, so you're going to put the arrows facing down. This one seems to be a little bit more solid than the one that I took out. You're going to have to wiggle it a little bit, and eventually she will get in there. Alright guys, so once it filters in, okay, be careful that this little, if you have this little tab sticking out, so it will hook up to this. So you're going to have to go down and then kind of like up. You have to kind of play with it. Get a little flashlight right here. Make sure it's hooked on there. Okay, she's on there. Beautiful. So once she's in there, go ahead and push it back. Make sure it feels nice and solid. And you put the little tabs down. You're going to have 3 metal tabs. Okay, that's it. So she's as beautiful as ever. All right, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and put all the lines back. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Make sure to snap in. It's all done. It's my little custom supercharger valve cover paint. But if you follow me, I'm going to be posting all the work that I did to the car, repainted the whole entire car. Did a bunch of little extra stuff, but yeah, for now, this is all you're going to get. All right. So, like I said, make sure that all the clips are in and all your hoses are connected and you're good to go. So that's the cabin filter. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow it, and I can't do it without you guys. We are getting a bunch of great things. It's just, you know, a lot of the video takes time. So we should be, very, very soon, we should be posting more stuff on the Corvette. All right, guys, thanks for watching.